Howdy, I'm Stephen McNerney, a student in the Aerospace Engineering Department at the A. James Clark School of Engineering at the University of Maryland. I'm excited to tell you a little bit more about what life is like as an aerospace engineer here at the Clark School. Aerospace engineers are absolutely crucial to the design of airplanes, helicopters, rockets, and even self-driving vehicles. We do cars, but Mars rovers are significantly cooler. Construction of these machines requires a deep understanding of aerodynamics, propulsion, and structures, as well as dynamics and controls. At the Clark School, we specialize in systems analysis, which is the unified study of the four basic disciplines, using the tools of each in an integrated fashion to determine vehicle design, which will satisfy specified requirements. Now, you know you want to study aerospace engineering, but why study it at the Clark School? I'd like to tell you why the Aerospace Engineering Department is so special at the Clark School. It's because of its people, students, faculty, and staff. We currently have about 620 undergraduates in our program, 26% of whom are female. We have 23 full-time faculty members, as well as several adjunct faculty who have affiliations with corporations, professional organizations, and federal agencies in the area and assist us with internship placement. Our student-to-faculty advising ratio is 20-1, giving you more personalized attention from a faculty member. Most students complete their degree in aerospace engineering in 4 years, while also participating in our honors program, study abroad, and internships. We also have a combined BS-MS program available. Our curriculum is accredited by the Accreditation Board of Engineering and Technology, or ABET. Students take aerospace engineering courses each semester, and those courses emphasize hands-on engineering design and research. Our typical class size can range from about 50 to 100 students. We encourage students to undertake their own engineering design challenge through our senior design project. Students then have the opportunity to enter their projects in national design competitions. As an aerospace engineering major in the Clark School, you'll have the opportunity to develop your computer skills in a variety of areas, including CAD, MATLAB, C and C++, and FEM. You'll find ways to make hardware and software interface efficiently, and you'll gain some experience in networking. Of course, you'll have many opportunities to engage in research during your time in the Aerospace Engineering Department. Over 40% of our students conduct research in our Clark School research labs and centers, and many students enroll in research internships or co-ops. The average starting salary for paid research positions is $11 an hour, and you can conduct research at any time during the fall, spring, winter, or summer. Students who enroll in our honors program are required to complete a research project, but all students are encouraged to do research. We have amazing research facilities right here on campus. Our Space Systems Lab is a deep water neutral buoyancy tank that is used to simulate the microgravity environment of outer space. In fact, it's one of only 3 such labs in the United States. Students use this lab to research space exploration and to build spacecraft and robotics. Our Glen L. Martin wind tunnel creates the perfect conditions for testing aerodynamics and airfoil design. Our Alfred Gessau Rotorcraft Center provides the equipment and space to test helicopters and novel aircraft micro-air vehicles. These are just a few examples of our research labs and centers, and there are so many more. Our students are very involved outside of the classroom as well. You can participate in the student chapter of the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics, the world's largest aerospace technical society. We regularly host conferences for AIAA. Many of our students also participate in Sigma Gamma Tau, the honor society for aerospace engineering students. Sigma Gamma Tau students also coordinate a tutoring service for aerospace engineering courses. And the Women in Aeronautics and Astronautics organization is very involved, providing opportunities for leadership, technical and professional development, networking, outreach, and advocacy on behalf of female students. WIA has its own student lounge and computer lab in the engineering building. We're extremely proud of our graduates. Most, around 65%, go right to work in their career fields after graduation. 30% of aerospace engineering graduates go on to grad school, and 5% pursue careers in the military. The average starting salary of our graduates is $73,700, and many students have multiple offers to choose from at the time of their graduation. The University of Maryland is one of the top 3 universities where aerospace and defense companies and agencies seek employees. This slide represents just a few of the companies and organizations that regularly offer jobs to our aerospace engineering graduates. You might recognize many names on this list, such as NASA, Lockheed Martin, SpaceX, and Boeing. And of course, there are many, many more. To summarize, here are just a few of the reasons that you might want to consider studying aerospace engineering at the A. James Clark School of Engineering at the University of Maryland. You'll receive a high-quality education. You'll have access to cutting-edge research facilities and opportunities. You'll have the opportunity to specialize specifically in aerospace engineering, making you more marketable to employees. You'll belong to a small, close-knit community within the department while having all of the resources and opportunities that a large university provides. You'll have several opportunities for one-on-one faculty mentoring, and you'll have all of the advantages that Washington, D.C. has to offer, including many cultural and professional resources and opportunities right at your fingertips. Thank you for joining me for this brief overview of aerospace engineering at the A. James Clark School of Engineering at the University of Maryland. I encourage you to visit our website, aero.umd.edu, for a more detailed description of our courses, our honors program, student organizations, and research facilities. We look forward to receiving your application and meeting you in the future.